All right, guys, got a 2017 Nissan 370z. We just did some adjustments on the system, but I wanted to show you guys the setup and everything. Got long tube headers, high flow cads right there and right there. You know, we readjusted it here in the middle and just kind of straightened it out. It was touching right there on that brace. We removed it and then just kind of adjusted the back and the tips some for him to try to line it all up right there and right there. And it's a full system from Motordyne all the way through here, even the high flow cats and the headers. So I'll try to go online. I'll try to find everything. We'll put it in the description for you guys, but it's all from the same company. It's all in 3-inch as well, stainless steel, and blue flame tips out the back. So there it is right there. There you guys go. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 2017 Nissan 370z. Still pretty loud. Yeah, it's still pretty loud. Oh, you can? I'll have you do it when you hop in then. Let you guys hear it on the side. (2017) Nissan 370z. Much better now. You can feel it a lot better, yeah? Yeah, you're getting back pressure back in.
Enjoy it, man. Thanks. Here we go, guys. This thing is loud. Just came out of Florida. He moved to Tennessee. He's like, I gotta visit the boys at Exhaust Addicts. So he came down, we hooked him up, did some cool work for him. Beast mode! This sucker's loud! You can still hear it. Look, look. It's all the way up on the hill. I don't know. Let me see. Can you see? See if you can still hear it. I hope you guys like it as much as we do. That was awesome.